Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and today we're taking a look inside motorhomes. I know we don't usually do that, but this is a little vent cover. This is going over a bunch of the electrical. You have them in this particular motorhome. There's actually 3 of them, one under the stove, one under the refrigerator, and then one under this cabinet. However, you can actually see they've already put some new screws in this to hold this on. It's been and it's broken. This thing is just barely on there, very flimsy, and these things break really easy. So what I want to do is show you what we're doing to fix this. All right, so let's take a look at the new cover. This is a very nice mesh, all powder coated black. That's going to really give it good protection and allow it to breathe. And then this is the aluminum cover, so this is going to be the frame that's going to go around it. And these simply overlay each other just like that. And then this is going to screw in down there on the bottom. So let's go ahead, grab all the hardware and get this installed. All right, so there is the stock one. We're gonna go ahead and pull that off. Luckily on here, there's just a couple screws holding this in. And you can see that that is just a cover to hide spaghetti back there. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the new cover. This is going to be it right here. I am going to drill a couple holes and open that up and make these 1/4-inch holes. That way I can put the screws in. I'm going to use a bigger screw, so hopefully you can see that this one's actually been mounted quite a few different ways. So we're going to put a little bit bigger screw in there in order to make this mount securely. So you can see the center screws just holding the mesh onto it. Now we're going to take a number 12 screw and go ahead and screw this in the corner. Alright, so when mounting this grate, I tried to make both of the reveals about the same. This is going to be your fuse panel, and then this is the new cover. So you can see those are about the same right there. However, once it comes down to the other side, it did hang over slightly, but I don't think that that's going to be a big issue. This grate is the same size as the original one right there, so it also slightly hung over, just a lot less holes there. But you can see now that looks a lot more uniform. Now you do have the additional grates here as well, but for now we're just going to swap out that one. So there's a look at it all installed. I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comment section below.